Hello everybody, and in today's video I would like to show you some TypeScript tips. So we will code a little bit in TypeScript. For doing that we will use the TS playground. So the TypeScript playground is a little bit like a sandbox, or a little bit like the GraphQL if you are familiar to the GraphQL playground. It's a little bit similar, although GraphQL playground is for GraphQL and TypeScript playground is for TypeScript. So let's go there. And here we can just exercise ourselves, and we can, we can test some different syntax, some different syntaxes in TypeScript. Is really handy. So here in this example, we'll have a person class, and what we'll do, I will show it to you the constructor parameter properties. So you might also see the name auto implemented properties. Implemented properties in TypeScript is the same. It's really handy because you don't need to declare each property in the class. So automatically in the constructor, if you mention the visibility modifier inside before to mention the parameter, so here I will have public. That's the visibility modifier. I can also mention read only, and so read only, it means I cannot reassign that property later on outside of the class and anywhere else actually. So it's nice because I can keep that property public, but I'm sure that it won't have a side effect where the property is being reassigned to a different value, because I don't want that to have that property reassigned externally. So I will have name and person, well, name and maybe country, why not, and maybe age, let's say. Beautiful. And here it will be, let's add some types. Here it will be a string, that one it will be a string as well, and that one it will be a number, so a digit, like a integer. And we will keep the constructor body empty because TypeScript will automatically know, oh yeah, this is a property. I will automatically assign the value. So you will see when we create a new object now, I will do const person, or maybe I will do Pierre, that's my new object, equals new person, and that's me. Then I will have Pierre, and then I will have country to be like Australia, and then it will be 24, for instance. And then here if I do console log, and I will do person.name to access to my name, and Pierre.name, and then I can run it and I see Pierre. Now if I do this new name, TypeScript won't like it because it's only read only, so that won't work. And the same if I do here, if I have another function like a setter to be change, and then it will be or maybe let's just do a proper function like update, because set and get in TypeScript are a little bit different. In this case we'll keep it simple, so we do update name or new name. It's a string as well, and it returns nothing, so void. And then we'll have this dot name equals name, and you see here it says also, oh, it's read only. No, you cannot reassign this one. However, if I only did public, then public, what do I have? Why it's not? Oh yeah, okay, it's new name, sorry, here new name, perfect. And now if I run it, sorry, I have to call the new name, so I will do Pierre new name and Pierre update, and here I will have new name. You see, new name. But obviously if I had read only, it wouldn't have worked. And the same if it was private here or protected. So private, it cannot have access. That property can only be that property can only, the visibility, it's only in its own class, and protected, it can be also in the parent class. So if I have another class, like another one extends to person, that would work if it's protected. But here in our example, we do private name. Again, this won't work because it's private, and I try to access to that property externally outside of the class scope, because that's a scope and it's outside, as you can see, because it's just outside. And if it was protected, it would have been the same, because protected is only in the parent class. If I have another one, well, I can access to the parent one. So the child one, that one, like I will do on the child, extends to parent, and here to be parent. That could work. And then I will do this dot name because it's protected. Okay, so here I could have used a get. So I will try to use this name, and it will be string, to return the string. Perfect. And so return this dot. Maybe let's not use the specific one. Let's do just a get name. Get name, return this dot name. Beautiful. And here, if I do now, although it's like private, I can do this. And now I do get name. Nearly there. There's just why it doesn't. Oh yeah, person. Obviously, it has to be person. I renamed my class, so that's why TypeScript was accompanying. And now if I do Henry, beautiful, and I will zoom a little bit, and now you see Henry. Okay, beautiful. So that's it for today. You can, just play around with TypeScript like this. It's really easy, it's really handy, and I wish you all the best, and I will see you in another video. Ciao.